I got this one for you. My son was looking for you. Far out. Where are you going? You going to Lake City? Where are you going?
Thank you, dear.
Exit. Got that problem. Air brake, nothing. Flared.
You're gonna take the hawk out now, huh? I think you picked a fight.
Ruffled his feathers real
Yeah,
good.
he did. What the hell
Poor,
are you doing?
poor bird probably didn't know what that thing was.
Is that Jerry flying the hawk?
Yeah.
That's a real hawk. Oh, I thought we had our eagle up.
Nah.
Yeah, that thing's right on his tail. You see that?
Yeah, he is. Look at him. He's
It's right on
soaring
his
with him.
tail. You see? Are you watching that, Dan?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Yeah, lost it.
Hello.
My glider's stationary.
We'll use up his battery before he...
Don't stall it. There you go. There you go. Look at that crack here. Where are you? Oh yeah. Right there.
Oh, look at that.
Stationary. I know. That's what I was saying yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Can you see it? Right out there. Straight out. About as perfect as it gets.
What about the hawk?
Pointed at me?
No. Yeah. Now it is.
Now it's not.
Now it's in.
I see ants under the
No rudder, so you don't even hardly have to mess much with the left. Busy bee. You're lower. You're doing a climb. You just stalled.
Stalled, drop.
Playing Rick. Which one's that? I got the wrong one.
Oh. You gotta, yeah. Oh, he just decided to use that as a climb opportunity. That was nice. Some of those clouds are pretty low today, actually.
That's the craziest story I ever heard of. Two gliders at the same park at the same time.
Against the blue
And you
sky,
fly someone else is thinking it's yours.
it's harder for me against the blue sky.
Yeah, it is. The white is so much easier.
What you're trying to do, you know? So
Even with the white glider, you can see.
Yeah,
because the white glider actually almost turns out.
Get up! Oh!
That's a busy bee there.